Clients who are happy with what they have are your worst enemy. Happy clients don't complain. Happy clients aren't looking for new solutions. And, happy clients will not spend their money on something they don't need. But client satisfaction is the foundation of my business, you exclaim. So true. Your client's complete satisfaction should be your ultimate goal. Here is the key question: if a client is satisfied with your product today, will your product meet their changing needs tomorrow? Change is the only constant in the business universe. Your clients' needs change every day, and your challenge is to identify those needs that are causing dissatisfaction in their life. Finding and solving these elusive needs will lead to more sales for your business. Ask yourself, are you searching for new areas of client dissatisfaction for your product or service to solve? Are you focusing your marketing on their needs and desires? Are you positioning yourself as a solution to their problems? Clients and prospects are always looking to improve their personal conditions as they travel through life. It's a natural quality of the human condition. What they currently possess may satisfy them today, but that is sure to change. Within this change resides opportunities for you. Your growth and prosperity will come from the unsatisfied and the needy. These are the people who may or may not know they need a solution. It is your job to uncover their hidden needs and supply the solution. So you ask, if they are satisfied now, I need to create a new dissatisfaction? No, you are not necessarily creating dissatisfaction but uncovering it for them to see. When you think about it, we all live in a state of ignorance throughout our daily lives. We don't realize that we need what we don't have. Simply put, you cannot satisfy a need until you know that you have one in the first place. For example, not too long ago there was a time when computers did not exist. We were unaware of the influence and benefits that these machines would have on our daily lives. Yet we survived without them in blissful ignorance as we plodded through the workday. Today, you can't run a business without a computer on your desk. The computer industry uncovered a whole host of reasons that we were dissatisfied: streamlining document processing, efficiently transferring data, communicating instantaneously anywhere in the world, and having vast amounts of information available at the click of a mouse. Indeed, these needs always existed somewhat, but the marketplace didn't know it needed the productivity a computer offered. The catalyst for discovering these unknown needs is imagination and innovation. You must find the dissatisfaction and creatively communicate your solution to the client. Until you make this discovery, happy clients are not interested in purchasing more from you. Your goal must be to find an offering that fills a need, solves a problem, or improves their condition. Creating the products and services that put an end to their current dissatisfactions is the best way to ensure continued business growth. Become a leader and innovator within your industry. With this strategy, you will position your business as a valuable resource that is trusted and looked on as the best choice in the market. This makes sales much easier, decreases your enemies, and greatly increases your success. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this.